Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at Tasty Trade and we're looking at MasterCard. If you've been subscribed to my channel, you know the spread that I did. I did an Iron Condor a little while ago for a pretty decent credit. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to close part of this Iron Condor. You can see MasterCard has been moving against me on the call side, but on the put side, it's looking pretty good. So here is what I want to do today. I'm going to close out this put side of the spread, at least this part, and see if I can get mid. Alright, so we're going to close this put. We're pretty far away from the money now, since it moved up so drastically in a short amount of time. So hopefully this stock will come back down away from my call by the end of expiration. So I still have another month out there. So I'm at more than 50% profit in this part right now. So I'm going to close it out. So you can see here is the realized gain is $408. Pretty good. I'll take it. 400 bucks. If we can get this thing to close. Okay, so I think we finally got a fill here at 234. Pretty good. Let's go back and look at the position. Here we go. And there is a 0. So hopefully this stock will come back down. And it'll, the put that I bought will hopefully be worth more. Hopefully it'll do it sooner rather than later. And we'll see how that goes. MasterCard's not a super volatile stock, doesn't move a whole lot, but for some reason it made a pretty good move to the upside, and a little bit of trouble here with the spread. So be sure you guys subscribe to see how I handle this, how to manage the risk from this Iron Condor, and this is the first part of it anyway. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.